Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Bolt app. So let's get started right away. Now, if you haven't logged out from your account on the Bolt application, then open up the Bolt app on this device in which you have not logged out and you will directly be taken into your homepage. Now, in order to log out from your account, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. Once you tap on this, you will see your username at the top left section along with the menu options. Just tap on the My Account option, and now from the My Account page, you can find the Logout button all the way at the bottom. Go ahead and tap on this, and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to log out from your account. Tap on the Yes button to confirm your sign out, and now you will directly be taken into the login page. Now, if you wish to log back into your account, you can continue with your Google, your Facebook or your Apple account, or you can also enter your phone number to log in using a verification code. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Bolt application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.